what is the right career for you, you cannot decide yourself. Very, very important. I'll tell you the reason why. I always believe it is the parents and the teachers who are to guide you to take that right decision in the early stages. So let me give an example of Sachin Tendulkar. Okay, did Sachin Tendulkar know that he's born to be a cricketer? No. Who identified it? His brother. Remember that his elder brother actually identified that talent. So always, Sachin Tendulkar says it is my brother Ramesh who actually took me to the cricketing field. Then his father, okay, gave him blessings. Ki ja beta jo karna hai kal. His father was a professor in Kirti College. Okay, he never said, beta padhna likhna aur mere jaisa professor banna. That is also a problem with a lot of parents. I am a doctor, my son should be a doctor. Why? Just because you have created a hospital? No. So the real career or what you are good at is actually identified in the house. So the brother of Sachin Tendulkar identified it, the father blessed it, then they took them to a teacher, Ramakant Atsarekar. He trained him, and that is why Sachin Tendulkar became very successful. Now, if you are lucky, and very few people are lucky like that, the parents says, mera beta ya beti isme acha hai. They can choose a career. Sometimes your parents don't know, but sometimes your teachers know. Okay, so Chanakya actually saw that leadership quality in Chandragupta Maurya. He identified it. And then he became a great Raja. So how do you know what you're good at? Luckily, if you have a great teacher, he will tell you, a mentor will tell you, or your parents or your elders will tell you. So once they tell you, you can make it a career out of it. I'll give you one real example. There's a friend of mine, whose name is Subhashish Modi, and we were together in school and college. So he was a brilliant artist. He used to sketch a lot, and of course he went to do his engineering and all those things. But you know what? He told me once that my teacher, when I was in third standard, my teacher called up my parents and he told my parents that, your son is a born artist. He's got some sketching skills which is unique. Please develop his drawing and technical skills in the field of sketching and designing. The parents took it very seriously. Imagine a third standard, you are hardly a child. But he became bigger and bigger. His parents supported him, put him in some extra class and all those things. And do you know what, my dear friends? He's one of India's most successful architects today. Because architecture is about designing, sketching, isn't it true? You need to be surprised. 9 out of 10 malls. Remember the words, and 9 out of 10 malls that are designed in India is actually designed by him. So he's not just a person who knows how to draw well, but he's the most successful person in that field. So he does specialization in mall design. So what do you know? First of all, earlier the better is because of parents and family. Now let's say condition 2. Your parents have not identified, your teachers have not identified. What do you do? Then I say that, first 3 years of your career, experiment. Okay, so I found my calling, my career after 27 years. So generally you're a graduate at 21. So 4-5 years, maybe 24, 25, 26 years, you can experiment. And then while experimenting, keep an eye on yourself and what others talk about you. Okay, it's like going to an ice cream parlor. Okay, so you want to eat an ice cream, but you don't know what. Choosing the right ice cream is like choosing your career, isn't it? So what do? You don't know, because all the ice cream is new. So some people say become an engineer, some people say become a sportsman, some people say become an entrepreneur. How do you know? All this is like, choice. So the ice cream parlor wala says, sab thoda chak ke dekh lena. Isn't it true? So everybody tastes a little bit. So you take this flavor, that flavor. That is experimenting phase. But you like one particular flavor and you say, give me a full scoop of that, a double scoop of that. Isn't it true? So in the initial stage of a career, if you make some mistakes and experiment, it's fine. But don't keep experimenting with your career lifelong. Then it's a danger. So as I told you, 3-4 careers, I also changed, but I settled down at 27. And then no go looking back. So number one, if you are lucky to have a teacher, a parent who tells you early, it's good. Otherwise you experiment. But don't keep experimenting forever, because it will be like, digging a well here, there, and finally nowhere. Choose, experiment, but finally once you understood what you're good at, make that your lifelong commitment. That is how you become successful in your career.